Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and Shib in that order. And I added AVAX in there, I'm sorry, Avalanche, because I really like Avalanche. And I told you guys tonight would be the video that I'd show you some different things here. But we're having a little emergency here in crypto land. So I'm probably going to do that video for you guys tomorrow because everything is tanking. And this is kind of, to me, this is when we're in dire need. And, yesterday in yesterday's video, I talked about maybe sideways action around 59,000 to 60,000, or maybe even a little up, or maybe a possible reversal. Man, guys, was I wrong about that? And I'll admit that I was wrong. Um, I tested my 95%, accuracy on this channel for the last 6 months, and it got tested yesterday. And, this is where that 5% comes in, where every once in a blue moon, I could get it wrong. We're all human, and I definitely got this wrong. And looking back at it, I could see where I made my mistakes, which I'm very, I'm not happy with myself that I did this because, um, very amateur hour on my part. So I do apologize about that because I could see where I made my mistakes, and I can't believe that I missed these mistakes in yesterday's video. But we're going to go over some things. I think one of the problems I was having, this is very important, guys. We talked about cleaning up my charts. If you can notice, I deleted everything that I had, all my old work, the triangle, everything we did, all the hard work we did. I just deleted it all because it was too much. And it got to the point where I got a little confused, I think. And so I had to delete and clean up my chart. I made it very easy for downside moves. Um, we're going to go back to our old school ribbons. And for some of you get new guys that are following my channel, this is called. You go to templates. You go to Trading View, and you go to templates. Okay, and you go to MAEXP ribbon. That's how you get this. Okay. Um, and basically, what we want to see is you could see this top line. I think it is. I have mine purple. I colored it to for it to be a little bit different on here. I think default though it comes in red. Oh no, it comes in orange, light orange. I don't know, but you'll see here how when we break it, you'll see this starting to come down and twist. This right here is actually it's the 20 EMA. So you can just actually go on your chart and put in 20 EMA and just change it purple, okay, to make it easy for you. What we don't want to see in this situation with the ribbon, you guys can see it here. Anytime we these ribbons, see even the bottom ribbon, this is right here. This is the 55 EMA, okay? This will act as support. So we can ride this all the way up until we break, but as long as we break back above it, we're okay. But once you see this twist, and you see that 20 cross over the 50 or the 50 cross over the 20, you can see where it could get really ugly. And that's exactly what happened. And then you can see when it crosses above, what happens here. Look, it crossed above at 35, came up, boom. And then we had it cross here. We thought it was going to get ugly. Then we had our W and it changed. Okay. But these ribbons, they're good for looking at support and stuff. Right now, obviously, this is not looking good. But we'll go back to the ribbons. Right now, guys, we're looking at Bitcoin daily chart. This is one of my areas of concern. I got 3 boxes that I made up for you guys. We're also going to check this with a fib. I wanted to start all over because, it just had too much. Someone asked me in yesterday's video how you draw the rectangle on here. So this is all you do. You go to the bullseye. You go here, you click it, and it'll say brush, highlighter. You go to rectangle. Hit the rectangle. You click one side up to the other. You move it. You control it. And then when you're done, you just click it, and then that's it. Okay? So that's how you get the rectangle on here for some of you guys that were asking me on how to do it. That's how you do it. So areas of concern here or even good buy opportunities, guys. You can see my orange. This is the 50-day. We did close under it. Not looking good. I don't like that. Now I want to see us get above there. And I want to see it get above this high that we had yesterday. Now, in yesterday's video, I saw it. I thought we were getting reversal, and we did go a lot higher, guys. We were at like 59,000 area, 59,500, I believe, or yeah, around that area. And we did. We went up to 61,000, and then we got rejected, and boom, that's when they just smashed us down. Um, people got wrecked, and that's just part of the game. Okay, so, but now we are getting a bounce here. So let's see if this box hold up. Now, here's my boxes that I want to see. I want to see us get a 4-hour candle closing above 61,000. Okay, 62 would be even better. I want to see us hold anywhere from 54 to this 56,500 area. I want to see us hold this area. If this area doesn't hold, then 50,800 to 49,500. Okay, and then these lower levels, which is the 200-day moving average, is here in green, which is coming in right around 45,900. So let's just say 46,000 to 44,325. Okay, so those would be my areas that I would look for the downside. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw this trend right here. So we don't want to break this trend on Bitcoin, right? So we're going to draw this nice little trend. Boom, just like that. So we want to see this trend hold up. We don't want to see a 4-hour or daily closing and then coming up and getting rejected. So let's see if we get a bounce off this trend and go. So there's a possibility. So this is how we look for these bounces, okay? So there's these possibilities, my levels of concern. Then we got our trend. We got our moving average down here at the 200. So let's see if that cruises on up. And I'm also going to do something else here, guys. I'm going to do a Fib retracement down at the bottom. So what you do is you want to take the bottom of the move, and we want to move it all the way up to the top of this move, okay? If it gets on there for me. Boom, right there. Okay. Now we're going to see if anything lines up with this move. Actually, the 618 perfect at 44,156, right in my line of concern. So I purposely drew these concern lines up, and now I'm actually just doing the Fib and everything right in front of you guys. So you guys can see, look, 59,500. We talked about that area. Look at that. That's part of the Fib. But yeah, 618. This is an area of concern for me because they could bring it back down to this area. Now, I want to do something else here, guys, on Bitcoin. I want to test this. So we had our triangle that we drew up a long time ago, okay, and it did break, all right? Uh, if I can get it to stop. Okay, so it did break, all right? So what could actually happen is I don't want to see it coming down and breaking underneath this trend right here. So if we break this trend and then break this trend, it could get ugly. I mean, Bitcoin could get ugly. Is it going to happen? I don't know. We gotta see what happens here. Right now, my first line of concern is holding up. Okay, but the 618 is lining up with this area right here. So maybe a little sideways. Maybe we come down and we retest this trend. Now, for some of you guys might say, well, Moondog, that doesn't sound like a good thing. That doesn't sound like, that's what we want to do. So what I mean is we could go like this, go down, go like this. This might not happen. We got to see if this could either bounce here off this trend, bounce off my area of concern, this purple box, or it could come down here, fake everybody out, bounce here and go back up. Or it could bounce here, come back and get rejected. That's what we don't want to see. And then you can see where it creates another M pattern, which then we would end up retesting this box. Now, if we get down in this box, what I want to see is I do not want to see a candle closing under this trend. If we do that, that's when we can see Bitcoin get ugly. What I would like to see is this bounce here and then a go. If a bounce and go happens, then you can see actually a big move to the upside. Great buy opportunity. This would just be confirming this move because we never got a real good confirmation. It just flew up. Okay, hit this Fib, or hit one of our Fib targets that we had before, or really I think we were like $100 off on that one. But we called 69. I said 69,000 in my video, which we ended up hitting the high on that because a lot of people are saying 70. We always know they're going to front run it. So we always do the 69. Of course, that's exactly what hit. We got rejected, and I talked about a big rejection there. We're getting that big rejection, but it could go lower. Okay. We're going to check some of these indicators here. These indicators, volatility is going up on the downside. That's not good. This is good, though. We're getting close to the bottom of the move. RSI is very low. I still don't like the MACD. We talked about that in yesterday's video. So there could be a little bit more downside, but let's see if this holds up. If not, you guys know exactly what to look for, okay? I don't want to spend too much time because we've been talking about Bitcoin for 10 minutes. Let me go to Ethereum, okay? Guys, Ethereum, I drew these purple boxes up for you, area of concern. Now I'm going to do the same thing here, okay? We're going to go down here. We're going to draw up a fib, all right? Let's see, come on. 1700 is the fib. We're going to go to the top of this area, okay? Boom. Now, let's look. So 2,900 lines up with my fib. So if Bitcoin drops to 45, what was it? What do we have lining up with our 618? Because that's a very trader, a lot of times things like to retrace back to the 618. 44 300 level, basically 44 290 area. So around that area. So if that happens, then yeah, we could see a $2,900 Ethereum. But right now, everything's bouncing off my first box, it looks like, my level of concern. So let's see if that holds up. If not, let's look at our next box. It's coming in right around 34.95, so even 3,500 to 3,400. And then we got this lower level coming in at 29.12 to 27.77. Okay, so those are the boxes that I would be looking for. We have our fib retracements. You guys can mark all this stuff down, or you can do it yourself. To the upside, guys, let's see if we see anything on the 1 hour. Let's see if we can break this trend. Okay, let's see if we can break this trend right here. All right, so let's see if that trend breaks, and let's see if we can get a pop to the upside. That's for Ethereum. Let me save that. Bitcoin, let me go back to Bitcoin real quick and just do that. Let's go to 4 hour, see if we see anything. Yeah, trend on the 4 hour we can draw up. Even up here. Ooh, what happened? Okay, I forgot they updated this and you got to double click everything now. Even this trend right here we can do. So let's keep that in mind for Bitcoin. So let's see if we can break that trend, update that. Matic, we're going to go to Matic. How much more time do we have? I got to hurry this up, guys. Matic, I drew my lines of concern. That is coming in right around 146 to 137. And then the bottom, 122, or actually 123 to 116. These will be my levels of concern. We're going to draw up our fib now. We're going to come here. Okay, fib retracement. We're going to go here. We're going to move it all the way up to here. Okay. Now you can see, let's see where the 618. The 618 comes in right around $1.23. But let's see if this area holds up. Right now it looks like it's holding up. Let's go to the 4 hour, see what we can draw up here. 4 hour chart. We see a little trend here. Let's see if this trend can break right here. So let's see if this can get a 4 hour candle closing above this trend. Get a nice little W here, maybe. Okay, same thing I believe on Ethereum too. Did we see a W? Yeah, maybe. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, maybe. Oh no, there's no W there. But on Matic, there could be a little W shaping. So let's see if that happens. So you guys can look for something like this. If you want to draw something up, boom, 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 boom. Actually, no, I don't really like this W because just like yesterday's move, the W didn't work out. Just because this right side is lower than the left side. It was really hard to tell in yesterday's video, so I wasn't sure, but that did not work out. So obviously it was a little off. So I want to see us break this trend. So let's see if we can break the trend and maybe get above 168, 4 hour candle closing above there. That's what I'm looking at for Matic. And for Ethereum, I don't mean to jump backwards, but we're going to look at 43, 46 area. Let's see if we can break there to go up to the upside. Cardano, my area of concern 180 to 171. 150 is what I'm looking at for the bottom there. We're going to do a fib retracement on this. How much time do I have left? I only have 15 minutes left, so I'm going to have to do this quick. Fib retracement. Let's see, where's the bottom? Right here. Right here. All right, fib retracement. Now this is on Coinbase, so let's see. 618 is coming in right around $1.87. See, this is not. I don't want to use the fib on this because it's on Coinbase. I should have did it on Binance, but I don't trade on Binance. So, well, I do but I usually do different things on Binance. I usually, I'll go over some of that tomorrow. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what we got here. Yeah, we can draw a little trend here. So let's see if this trend breaks on Cardano. We want to see this trend break, so you guys can draw that up. I want to see us get it back above this area here, coming in right around 190, and then maybe my second target to this would be $2.09, and then of course our other area would be 238. Okay, so that's how we'd get that target there. Solana area of concern 185, let's say, and 178, and then we got 170 and 164. Those are my areas of concern. Let's see how much time I got left. Okay, I got a little bit of time. Let's do a fib retracement. We're going to start from this low right here to this high. And let's see, the 618 is coming in right around my point right here, right around 170. So that could be an area of concern. So keep an eye on that, guys. Anything on the 1 hour we're looking at. 4 hour. I like to do 4 hour. I think I did 1 hour on Ethereum, but I like to do 4 hour better. Let's see, 4 hour trend. We can start here, work our way down. Let's see if this can break, get a 4 hour candle closing. Basically above this fib right here, this red one, above 225 or even 223 area. Okay, so that's what I want to see with Solana. Shib, guys, Shib. How much time do I have left? I only got like a couple minutes. So I don't think I'm going to get to AVAX. You guys can actually pause AVAX. But my SHIB concern is 37.81 to 33.85. That's my area of concern. We're going to draw a quick fib down here at the bottom. Let's go dead bottom. Let's go dead bottom. If it can lock. Okay, I don't know if it locked, but let's see if it did. Try to get that there. Okay, and you can see my 618 or 3779 area of concern. 618. We're getting close to there. Let's see if that happens. Let's look at the daily, guys. Actually, the daily we can draw up something like this. Okay. Draw a little trend even to this mark here. Let's see if this thing breaks, get a 4 hour or daily candle closing above here and a retest and go. And then this thing can go up. I would like to see us get above this green line at 156, or I'm sorry, 56 area and 47.64 area. Okay, so I want to see a 4 hour candle closing above those areas on SHIB. Now I really like Avalanche, guys. I know I said I really like Avalanche. I know I keep saying AVAX, but I like Avalanche. Let's draw a trend here. I'm running out of time. My areas of concern for this. First, I want to see this trend hold up. Okay, if this trend breaks down, I got 90, I got 89 area, I got 83, and I got 74 to 71 would be great buying opportunities in my opinion. And I want to see us get back above this 103 area. But those would be the areas I want to see hold up. All right. So listen, much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to put the link to Webull and Twitter in the description. And I really appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. Make sure you get my videos out there. And I'll do another video tomorrow for you guys. So much love. Peace out.